What is going on, my good old friends of YouTube? It's your boy Stas here. Welcome back to another video. And cheers, by the way. I appreciate all of you guys for tuning in. We're almost at 50,000 subscribers, which honestly is freaking insane. I appreciate all of you guys for tuning in. So let's break down Sofi, what's going on the charts so far today. I think you're watching this video at night. I actually can't make many videos later in the day, so I apologize if I'm making this video a bit too early in the trading day, but it is what it is. We'll break down the charts. We'll talk a bit about CPI, some insider trading here with Sofi. So guys, jam-packed video. Hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe and snag up your free stocks from Moo while the deal lasts. Use that link down below. Open up your account and fund it with at least $100. You get 5 free stocks. Fund it with at least $1,000. You'll get 10 more free stocks. And overall, for now, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, it's a no-brainer. So check out the link down below or go to stasurfs.com/moo. And with that being said, cheers. Let's get into it. So as of now, it's about noon on the East Coast, and Sofi stock is at $15.60. We're up around 2% on the day after yesterday's slightly red day, after we actually popped in the morning. I'm sure you guys saw the update yesterday. We popped that open, then we downtrended for excuse me, the majority of the day, pretty much all day. And now today we actually are holding above the lows from yesterday, maintaining that support level, which is a good sign for the bulls in the short term. And now we're starting to get a rally. And we actually popped in the pre-market after CPI came out. Then we saw a sell-off, boom, and we retested yesterday's lows. And that's where we popped. Very good sign. And now we're actually taking out the highs from the pre-market, and we're starting to move here on Sofi. And overall, on the 10-day, 30-minute chart, let me pull this up, clear the drawing set, and show you guys kind of what I'm seeing here. We're still in this downtrend, right? Which obviously overall, in the grand scheme of things, we're uptrending, but in the last, let's say, 10 days, pretty much all of December here, after a monstrous November, Sofi has been selling off. Not crazy. We're only down about $1 from the highs, or about 6%, so it's not a big deal, but we are in this channel, selling off a bit, downtrending, whatever you want to call it. So we have to wait for direction. Obviously, we're still on the channel, but if you're waiting to go long on this thing, you want to trade it, play the breakout, you're going to have to wait, in my eyes, for this thing to break $16, $16.10, and start pushing from there. That'd be the breakout spot. But for now, we're still here in this channel, and we're actually now starting to rally to the top of this channel, being at about 1570, 1575. So it's the moment of truth, man. It's the moment of truth. And we got the CPI data this morning, which I'm sure you guys saw that, and it came pretty much right in line with the expectations. Let me pull this up here very quickly. Then we'll take a look a little bit at some trading going on with Sofi stock right now. You guys are going to want to see that. So take a look at this. The CPI rose 0.2%. It looks like here, actually, no, increased 0.3% on a seasonally adjusted basis in November, after rising 0.2% each of the previous 4 months. So inflation on a monthly basis did go up a little bit, which we expected. That was priced in. And over the last 12 months, the all items index increased 2.7% before seasonal adjustment, which we also expected. So let's see here. The core CPI rose 0.3%, which I'm pretty sure was right in line with the expectations there. And we can see here the chart overall on CPI, the percent change. This is the monthly number. So we had 4 straight 0.2% months. Now we had a 0.3, the highest month since April, guys. So about 7 months ago, highest month since then, right? So coming down here, that was not core, was it? No, that was not core. Either way, CPI is heading in the right direction. The blue line is all items. The red line is all items less food and energy, which is core CPI. That's heading in the right direction, which is down. And let's see. I don't want to spend too much time on this, but any categories that changed crazily month over month. It looks like apparel went from minus 1.5 in October to plus 0.2 in November. So apparel's actually increasing a bit there. So that's one worth noting. Fuel oil, negative 4.6% in October to plus 0.6% in November. So that was a big pop there in fuel oil. But other than that, guys, nothing too crazy. I mean, new vehicles increased a little bit from 0 to 0.6%. Used cars and trucks went down from 2.7 to 2. So, yeah, not much movement there overall. But that's kind of probably why the stock market's moving, right? It kind of makes sense. This CPI report wasn't anything out of the ordinary, not much movement in the categories. It came in line with the expectations. So it's kind of like the market is breathing a sigh of relief, in other words. And we're getting the rally overall today. In the stock market, some all-time highs were hit. You know, Sofi's moving, which is nice. So we can see here some recent moves from the insiders. Not many, to be honest. One notable one from a week ago was from SLTA LLC, it looks like here, a director. They actually sold 52%, it looks like, of their position. It looks like they sold 31 million shares at $16 a share. That was a $500 million move, so $500 million, guys. Oh, my goodness. Which, I mean, I don't know why they're doing that. Maybe they're locking profits, putting money elsewhere. But that's a sizable move there, guys. $500 million 1 week ago. And that reminds me, whatever happened to the Qatar Investment Authority, guys? QIA here. Remember back in June? Yeah, here's that transaction. Unbelievable. They sold their entire almost 20 million share stake at $6.78. Imagine selling $20 million at $6.78, and now we're at where we're at now. You know, it's unbelievable. So let's see. And funny enough, that's actually right by my average cost at about $6.80 on Sofi. So let's say, for example, they didn't sell and they held on to today the shares. I'm doing some math on my calculator here, guys. That investment would be something like in the ballpark of $350 million, maybe higher, 400, give or take a little. My math could be off there, but yeah, they sold at the exact wrong time is what I'm trying to get at here, guys, the Qatar Investment Authority. And I don't know if they had to sell at that specific time. I don't know the terms or whatever. I know they were in SoFi from before the IPO, but yeah, I mean, looking back at that move, crazy, terrible timing. Let's just say that, terrible timing. They sold right before the rally, and they missed out on literally hundreds of millions, tens of millions of dollars. But yeah, it is what it is, man. It sure is what it is. But yeah, that's pretty much it when it comes to that. And overall, guys, maybe that's it for the video. I don't know. I mean, we covered everything on the charts. I wanted to share with you all a little bit on the CPI side of things. I don't think I covered it much today on my other videos. Not much, went down in terms of CPI. And here on the charts on SoFi, I'm telling you, man, watch out for this 5-day, 5-minute downtrend. 30-minute chart as well. You guys see it there. If we start getting out of here, SoFi could really start to run. Is it guaranteed? No, it's not, but it's something that I'm watching moving forward here as well. We're slowly wrapping up the year. So, guys, what do you think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Run the likes up. Don't forget to subscribe. Check out the Patreon while you're at it, where I have my Discord chat, my portfolio. You guys get to see me build out my portfolio. I'm buying stocks every week, plus more. All of that's on Patreon down below, and you might as well get your free stocks while the deal lasts. Open up your account using that link down below. Fund it with at least $100. You get 5 free stocks from Moomoo. Fund it with at least $1,000. You get 10 more stocks, and overall, your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY. So guys, use that link or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. All of those are down below. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys in the next video.